Hi everyone, this is part 2 of exercise 5.1, question number 5. PQRS, 4 vertices are given. We are supposed to show that these vertices are the vertices of a parallelogram. Parallelogram, suppose PQRS, these are the 4 points. हमें ये बताना है कि PQRS पैरेललोग्राम है, उसके लिए प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इज आई विल फाइंड PQ, आई विल फाइंड RS. इक्वल हो गया, गुड. आई विल फाइंड PS, आई विल फाइंड QR. इक्वल हो गया, वेरी गुड. इफ ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल देन द क्वाड्रिलैटरल इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. सो फर्स्ट आई विल फाइंड PQ with the help of distance formula, then QR, then RS, then PS. I'm not going to write the formula because I don't have that much space. I'm doing it directly. I will write PQ. The formula is x2 minus x1 the whole square, y2 minus y1 the whole square. मतलब second number minus first number, 7 minus 2 the whole square plus 3 minus of minus 2 the whole square. 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 square is 25. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 square is 25. 25 plus 25 is 50. Root of 50. Can 50 be factorized? Answer is yes. 25 2s are. So 25 मतलब 5 root 2. It can be written as this way. देख लो एक बार. 5 into 5 into 2. तो ये 2 बार है ना, तो उसको एक बार लिखो और root 2 को ऐसा लिखो. So you got PQ. You got PQ. 5 root 2. Okay. Then you will find what? QR. Q 7, 3. R 11, minus 1. So distance QR is equal to 11 minus 7 the whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 the whole square. So your answer will be 11 minus 7 will be 4 square, and here minus 1 minus 3 will be same thing, 4 minus 4 square is minus 4 square. So you will get 4 square is 16 plus 16, that is QR is equal to root of 32. Can 32 be factorized? Yes. Answer will be 4 root 2. So you have got QR 4 root 2. Then find PQ हो गया, QR हो गया. RS, R is 11, minus 1. S is 6, minus 6. So distance RS is equal to first term minus first term, 6 minus 11 the whole square plus minus 6 minus 1 square. That will be 6 minus 11 is minus 5 square plus minus 6 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 1 is also minus 5. So RS will be 25 plus 25. RS will be root 50. That is RS will be 2 root 5. Sorry, 5 root 2. So you have got RS. Then you are supposed to find PS. Same formula. PS. First term minus first term. 6 minus 2. Minus 6 minus of minus 2. Square. So PS will be, this will be 4 square, and here minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 4 square. So PS will be 16 plus 16 root 32. That is equal to, PS is equal to 4 root 2. So you have got PS also. So you have got PQ, QR, RS and PS. Now we are going to check the condition. PQ is equal to RS. RS is equal to 5 root 2 dash 1. Next, QR is equal to PS. QR is equal to PS is equal to 4 root 2 dash 2. So opposite sides of quadrilateral PQRS are equal. Therefore, quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. This is question number 6. Show that points A, B, C, D are the vertices of a rhombus. Now we are supposed to show that ABCD is a rhombus. To show that it is a rhombus, we need to find all the segments. We will find AB, BC, CD, AD. चारों segment find करने के बाद, if all the sides are equal, then I can say that quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Start करते हैं. AB, distance AB find करते हैं. I am not writing the formula. Directly I am going to do it. x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. पहला नंबर माइनस पहला नंबर, दूसरा नंबर माइनस दूसरा नंबर. चलो. -1 minus of -4 square plus 2 minus of -7 the whole square is equal to. Here you will get -1 plus 4 square plus 2 plus 7 the whole square. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9 plus 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 square is 81. So my answer will be root of 9 type. Root of 9 type. Can 90 be factorized? Answer is yes. It can be factorized. So I will get 9 tens are 9 type. मतलब 3 root 10 आएगा answer. This is your first segment AB. Then I will find BC. Same formula. x2 minus x1 square, y2 minus y1 square. चलो 8 minus of -1. मेरे साथ ही सॉल्व कर दे जाओ. 5 minus 2 equal to 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 square is 81. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 square is 9. Once again, same answer. BC is equal to root of 9 type. That is 3 root 10. So you have got the value of BC. Then I will find what? I will find CD. Same formula. x2 minus x1 square, y2 minus y1 square. 5 minus 8 square minus 4 minus 5 square. So you will get minus 3 square is 9. 9 square is 81. So your answer will be root 9 type. Therefore CD is equal to 3 root 10. Next is AD. AD is once again same formula. First term minus first term. 5 minus of minus 4 square plus minus 4 minus 7 square. So it will be 5 plus 4 9 square minus 4 plus 7 means 7 minus 4 is 3 square. Same answer. 9 9s are 81 plus 3 3s is 9. So AD will be 3 root 10. Same answer. All the values are same. I can write AB, BC, CD, AD are equal. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. This is question number 7. Find x if the distance L and M is 10. Now L, M is given and the distance of LM is given as 10. We are supposed to find the value of x. हमें x find करना है, missing variable find करना है. So distance LM is given. So distance is given. So which formula you have to use? Distance formula. But LM दिया है ना, तो देखो मैं उसको ML कर देता हूँ. LM and ML is the same. ML कर देता हूँ. So distance ML formula is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now distance ml is given as 10. तो distance के नीचे 10. Any props? No props. Is equal to x2 minus x1 square. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So x minus 1 square. X minus 1 square plus 7 minus 15 square. So 10 is equal to square root of x minus 1 square plus 7 minus 15 is minus 8. Minus 8 square is plus 64. Now here there is a square root sign. If we have to cancel this square root sign, you have to do squaring both the sides. I will square both the sides. I will get 10 square as 100. Here I will get x minus 1 square plus 64. Square root sign निकल जाएगा बस. 10 का square हो जाएगा 100, इधर square root का sign निकल जाएगा. Plus 64, it comes here, it will become minus 64. So x minus 1 square is equal to 100 minus 64. X minus 1 square is equal to 36. Taking square roots. So I will get x minus 1 is equal to 36 का square root will be 6, but plus minus 6. Therefore x minus 1 is equal to plus 6 or x minus 1 is equal to minus 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 plus 1 or x is equal to minus 6 plus 1. Therefore x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 5. This is the last question of exercise 5.1. We are asked to show that A, B, C are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Now equilateral triangle means where all the sides are equal. So I will find AB, then I will find BC, then I will find AC. All sides are equal. Then I will write a conclusion that if AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, the triangle is an equilateral triangle. So first I will find out AB. I am not writing the formula. It is first term minus first term plus second term minus second term. 1 minus 1 plus 6 minus 2. So AB will be 1 minus 1 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16. So AB will be root of 16, that is 4. 0 plus 16 is 16. 16 का square root 4. Then I will find the value of BC. First term minus first term. First term is 1 plus 2 root 3. Minus first term is 1. Plus second term minus second term. 4 minus 6 square. Here 1 will get cancelled. 2 root 3 will remain. And here 4 minus 6 is minus 2 square. So 2 root 3 square is 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3 plus 2 square is 4. So 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16. So I have got BC as 16 means 4. So BC is also 4. Then I will find AC. AC, same formula. First term minus first term. 1 plus 2 root 3 minus 1 the whole square plus 4 minus 2 the whole square. So AC will be 1 will get cancelled. 2 root 3 square is 2 2 is 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 4 3 is 12. Plus 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 square is 4. So AC will be root 16. That is AC will be 4. So I have got AB, BC and AC equal. So I will write therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to 4 centimeters. Therefore triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle.